videotaping this shit.
Her husband's wonderful driving. That videotape in case somebody hits us. That's how we roll on Valentine's Day. Bitches.
Yeah, they could have stayed in school today. It didn't start snowing until like 4.
Yeah, I know. No, it was bad, better safe than sorry. But they should have just called the whole day like everybody else did.
Yeah, but I think they were more. They were thinking about the kids not having their
Summer.
party
Oh, yeah, that's true.
because they don't go back to school till Tuesday.
Right. That's right. Monday's President's Day, so we can't tag the band Monday. We have to do it Tuesday. Don't forget. Very important. I gotta get that thing going. If that doesn't sell, I gotta sell this, and I really don't want to.
Right. I don't know why. Until it dies. He wouldn't have went down that way, would he?
You remember Tremaine at all?
Uh-uh.
I don't even know where the road is. I'm just guessing.
Nice.
See a road?
No.
Yeah, we're actually going back out, taking her to the movies. Did you go home yet, or are you still at the office? I know, I'm already out. I'm halfway there, so it's okay. Did you already go home? Right. That's what I was calling. Yep, that's what I was calling you, because even with that, you better be careful. Did you, yeah, you can still be in four-wheel high as long as you're in snow. Try and stay around 45, but if they're not really snowed, that's all-wheel drive. So it's all the time four-wheel drive. So if it's not snow covered, then just leave it in all-wheel drive. If you start slipping and stuff, then put it in 4-wheel high. But if you're gonna go, you can go higher than 50, but I don't really suggest it in 4-wheel high. It depends on how fast you're gonna be going. So I don't know what the highways are yet. I'm not on them. So I'll tell you here in a few minutes. But if it's like the road I'm on now, you would want to be at 4-wheel high. Low's only if you're like stuck somewhere. All right. Did you sell anything? Did you sell any cars? Which ones you sell? Which one? Awesome. Good, I'm glad. That's awesome. Good, I'm glad. Alright, well, I'll let you go. Be careful going home. Okay, I'm going to try and make it down to the shop. I want to get that car painted, so I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of hard to believe, but anyway, I'm gonna if I can get out of my driveway, then I got out tonight, so I should be able to get out. I'm gonna try and make it down there and get that thing painted. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye. He's still in Newport, but he's getting ready to leave. Probably shouldn't have taken this way.
I was wondering why you did.
Because this is the way I always take.
Like the high beams?
Yeah.
That wouldn't work. This is gonna be fun.
Yeah, perfectly executed.
Only slid a little bit.
Got this. Totally. Like George Lopez. I got this.
Of course, we take the freaking back road.
Gotta make Valentine's Day interesting.
I think this is the first Valentine it's snowed like this.
Yeah, it is. I think it's the first Valentine's Day in a long time, and I'm not sick. You know that?
Alright. Oh, battery's dying.
Uh-oh.
No, don't die.
Like deathly sick. I got a fever. Like deathly sick. Like I usually do.
Oh, shit. If I would have died, I would have grabbed the other camera.
It's a pretty long video.
Oh, my phone's about to die, so it's going to be a short video.
By now, people are probably getting bored with the trip. Like, oh, it's just snow. He's not doing anything fun. Sorry, guys. Gotta worry about the other idiots out here.
The only thing you can really see is what's in front of the headlights.
Hey, does that say slow curve? I think I should speed up.
No.
Should we do a drifter style?
No.
car coming the other way.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
Don't be frightened. Like that dude with his caution lights on.
And it's a truck, too.
Scary cat.
These other cars, man, I'm like, what the fuck? Why is he got his caution lights on when he's a fucking truck?
No, trucks aren't usually that. If they're not four-wheel drive, they're not usually good in the snow. I'm just good at driving.
I won't forget that one time we was living down in Covington, and I came up here to drop Robbie off. It was that time that I passed out, remember?
Yeah.
And I was on my way back home, and I was sitting up here at the red light up here by McDonald's, and it turned green, and his truck went to go, and he did a 360 just by hitting the gas. I guess he hit the gas too hard.
Right. Was it snowing?
Yeah, it was snowing hard. Because remember, I stopped in, you were working at AutoZone, and I stopped in, and I said, well, I'm going to go get Robbie home before it gets really bad out. Yay! Whee! Oh, cricky.
Wow, these roads are done.
Whee!
We might get stopped. If a cop gets behind us, they might stop us.
Why?
This truck, the way this road is right here, it's not safe to be driving on. They're gonna call a level 3 snow emergency really soon. I've not seen it this thick on the roads in a long time, and they haven't even plowed or nothing. I guess they're waiting for it to, because it's supposed to be such a short span of a storm,
Yeah.
hour-wise, I guess they're waiting to plow and salt until all of it's over. Yeah, I ran that right